Welcome to the world of Skimdevil, where we bring unique innovation to you by efficiently cleaning your pool from the surface. Unlike most pool cleaners on the market today, the Skimdevil robotic pool cleaner collects debris particles from the top of the pool before they have a chance to sink to the bottom. Leaves, pollen, hair, bugs, and oils all start off on the surface of your pool, then work their way down and into your filters. With the Skimdevil, your filters stay clog-free and no more hand skimming. Our solar-powered robot does all of the work for you, taking one big item off of your to-do list and leaving you free to relax and enjoy your day. Your pump and filters don't need to work as hard to keep your pool clean, so the Skimdevil not only saves time, but also saves money by reducing both your chemical usage and energy bills all at once. Skimdevil also includes many advanced features, yet is simple to operate. Easy to empty debris basket, cutting-edge navigational system, and exceptional maneuverability, even in tight spaces. Customizable cleaning schedule to run day, night, or around the clock. The solar panels use natural light to charge the battery, so no cables or cords are needed. Skimdevil is pool cleaning made easy, so put down that net and pole and jump in. Designed and manufactured in Europe, distributed in the United States, Skimdevil is the ideal pool accessory. So sit back, relax, and let the devil do your dirty work.